Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 18. Those who are abiding in sattva go upwards. The Rajsika dwell in the middle, and the Tamsika, abiding in the function of the lowest guna, go downwards.
Chapter 14, Shloka 18. Urdhvam gachanti sattvastha, madhye tishtanti rajasaha, jaganya gunavrittistha, adho gachanti tamasaha.
Chapter 14, Shloka 18. So far, the nature of the gunas of the symptoms from which the most prominent guna in us can be diagnosed, of their reactions in our life and how they affect our future were explained. The predominant guna from the past colors the present and the future again is determined by the play of these gunas. These causes of bondage are rooted in illusion because the self in us gets identified with the matter vestures around it. Evolution means a greater awareness of experience, a lesser amount of agitations, and a sharper power of intelligence. During the different stages of evolution from stone life to plant life to animal life to the life of a man, stone life is of zero evolution as it has no awareness at all of the world. In plant life, consciousness has dimly started expressing itself. In the animal kingdom, the awareness has become clear and more vivid. In the animal kingdom, this awareness has become clearer and more vivid. Of the animals, man is the greatest being with the fullest consciousness and the sharpest intellect. But man also has his own limitations of time and space. The denizens of heaven who have broken the limitations of man enjoy a still higher evolution, a greater state of existence. The vegetable and the animal kingdoms are of the lowest evolution. Man stands in the middle and the higher beings on upper levels in the ladder of evolution. None has reached the top. Those in the middle have the freedom to go up or down. Evolution is measured by the degree of consciousness unveiled through matter. The sattva abiding go upwards, who are living a pure life of discrimination, clear thinking, right judgment, and self-discipline. When the mind is thus kept in quietude, at once creative and dynamic, it evolves upwards. The Rajasic dwell in the middle. because of their desires and agitations, ambitions and achievements, and again manifest as men until they acquire the required purity. The tamas go downwards as they are reveling in misconceptions, heedless of the higher calls in themselves, deluded by their own lust and passion, existing in a state of drowsiness and inertness, devolve themselves into the lower natures. That even sattva binds us with our attachment to knowledge and happiness has been explained earlier, that all three, sattva, rajas and tamas, are gunas, meaning ropes that bind us. Then when can I free? When is man free to enjoy Godhood, totally released from all contacts with the pluralistic world and from all the attachments to it? Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.